About 2:50 in the morning, and some very heavy rain falling in the Hermiston area as thunderstorms move through. And I see some kids running around outside in the middle of the street. I'm not sure that's a real smart idea, but anyway, they're out there. And the wind isn't really that bad. It's mostly just the heavy rain that's falling. The lightning has let up just a little bit. There was a lot more lightning with it earlier, but on radar it looked like a pretty good storm. As the storm continues to move through.